how did everything begin? I mean, really, how did it all start? It's one of the biggest questions we humans have ever asked. Today, we're going to dive deep into one of the oldest, most foundational answers out there, the creation story from the book of Genesis. We'll be focusing on this idea of God as the powerful, wise, and surprisingly personal creator of everything we see.
So to get our heads around this, let's start by building a bridge between two really big ideas. On one side, you have the Tao. You've probably heard of it, this idea of an ultimate, impersonal principle, the natural flow of the universe, the mother of all creation. Now, on the other side, you've got the biblical concept of the Logos, which just means the Word. And, just like the Tao, it's seen as this ultimate reality that brings order out of chaos. It's a really fascinating parallel, but there's one critical difference we're about to unpack.
So, how did this whole creation thing actually go down? Well, that brings us to part 3, the 6-day blueprint. This is the story of moving from total chaos to a beautifully ordered universe. The story doesn't start with a blank page. It starts with something described as chaotic, empty, and dark, formless and void. It's like a canvas of pure potential, just waiting for the artist to get to work. It really sets the stage for this amazing process of ordering and filling. And here's the blueprint itself. What's so cool is the pattern you can see here. There's this beautiful symmetry. The first 3 days are all about forming the different realms. Light, then sky and water, then land. And the next 3 days, they're all about filling those realms. Filling them with the sun and moon, with fish and birds, and finally with animals and us, humanity. It's just this incredible picture of divine order and purpose.
And check this out. The very first act of creation happens just by speaking.
And if you want a sense of the sheer scale of this creative power, just think about one creature from day 5 for a second, the blue whale. It's bigger than a Boeing 737. Its tongue alone is heavier than an elephant. This isn't just about making things that work. This is artistry on a colossal, absolutely mind-boggling scale.
And that really makes you stop and think, doesn't it? When you look out at the vast galaxy, or you zoom in on the intricate design of a single snowflake, what does that tell you about where it all came from? The story suggests it points to a creator with infinite power and wisdom, and maybe even a sense of artistry.
And all of this has been building to the absolute pinnacle of the creation story.
So we end with a question for you. After walking through this ancient story of where everything came from, just take a second to look at the world around you. From the smallest insect to the most epic sunset, what do you find amazing? And what does all that beauty and order tell you about its source?